Hey guys, this is Nikel. We're gonna make her look like a skeleton princess. So we thought we would show you a little tutorial to show you how to do makeup and how we did the hair.
Using a comb, I took about an inch wide section at the top of Nikel's hair, and I started my rope braid. You pick up a small section, split it in two, and then you twist both of those strands to the left, and then you use the left piece of hair and you put it over the right, and you pick up more hair, twist both to the left, and then put the left strand over the right, and continue picking up hair and twisting to the left and over the right. Then you go as far as you'd like it, and you just use a clear elastic band to secure it. Then you continue on with your sections. After I finished with the rope braids, I just used a medium curling iron and curled the rest of her hair. I thought I'd add a little hair curling tip. So when you're curling your hair, you want to make sure that when you're curling it, you're curling the hair away from your face. So you can see I'm on the left side of Nikel's face, and I'm curling her hair to the right, making the curls go away from her face, not towards her face. So when I go on the right side of her face, then I'll curl them the opposite way to the left so that they're going back. It just looks better when it's all done. Nikel wanted a fun lip color, so we used a bright pink, which is Be Mine, and then we used Glossy Gloss over that. Then for the details on Nikel's face, we used Onyx, which is a black shadow sense. It's a cream shadow, and it's awesome because you can use the applicator to just draw right on the face. If you want thinner lines, you can definitely use a brush, but I just went ahead and used the applicator itself, and it's super easy, and it stays. It doesn't rub off. It's great. So when I was doing Nikel's makeup, we were trying to hurry because the light was fading away. It was getting dark, and I needed to take her pictures. So we definitely did this quickly. It's not something that takes a long time, but you can take a lot longer if you want to put more details or make it a little more perfect than I did. We used Pink Frost Shadow Sense to add a little more detail around the eyes. And then I had my 6-year-old record as I was taking pictures of Nikel, and it got a little shaky, so there's not much there, but you can get a little bit of an idea of what the final look looked like.